Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. So finally friends, Wipro 2024 hiring is announced for the trainee role. BE, BTech, MCA can apply, 2024 batch can apply for opportunity. Step by step apply process we will discuss in today's video. Please like and share the video and apply for opportunity which we are sharing on our channel. Yesterday I already shared the Wipro hiring process with all of you. So finally Wipro announced the trainee opportunity for 2024 batch. BE, BTech, MCA 24 batch can apply for opportunity. First of all, I will show you official notification. It is from Wipro trainee role 2 days ago. The thing is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and this is related to details. They clearly mention. So 24 batch is eligible for opportunity. Trainee is the role. BE, BTech, MCA 12 month of service agreement. Chennai is the location. This is the shift timing. Face to face in Chennai Wipro office. Technical skills is this: you have knowledge of software development life cycle, simple and complex SQL queries, write intermediate SQL query. This is the communication in Excel. Interview assessment: first is GATE assessment, that is an online aptitude assessment most probably, and second is managerial interview at office location, and third is HR round over MS Team Video Connect for candidate who are shortlisted in managerial interview. So this is the process. Managerial interview will be there, HR round, and first is GATE assessment, that is an online assessment. So how to apply for opportunity? First of all, when you try to apply for opportunity, so they will ask your profile photo, profile picture and resume, create a login, name, everything, mobile number, address, are you open to relocate, everything. Just one field I have to mention: they are asking about the experience. Suppose if you have an internship experience, so you can mention. Suppose if you are fresher, you do not have any kind of experience, so simply mention not applicable, city not applicable, country India, Madhya Pradesh, and choose any of the year, no problem. Description, reason of living not required. Just no experience is required. You you see that they clearly mention 24 batch is eligible, there is no experience is required. So don't confuse in this. Current CTC and not required. Total experience in detail in month 0. Current notice period you can select 0 or any of the 2 to 4 or 5 days. Time zone India you can select. The second thing they will ask: should you wish to remain in Wipro candidate pool for other future job opportunity for 180 days. सपोज विप्रो की तरफ से कोई जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी आई या एफिलिएट कंपनी के थ्रू, फ्रॉम 180 डेज, सो यू मे इंडिकेट योर कंसेंट बिलो. सो दे विल ऑल्सो आप विप्रो के पूल में रहेंगे, जिससे कि आपको जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के बारे में पता चलेगा. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन सबमिट ऑप्शन हियर. सो वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, दे विल आस्क नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू दैट. सो दिस इज रिलेटेड टू विप्रो, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू नॉन कम्पीट, यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट नो. सो डाइवर्सिटी में पूछेंगे. डाइवर्सिटी में यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट योर जेंडर, and you can choose your race as well, this is related to that. And after that you have to click on submit. How do you here job opportunity, you have to click on submit. After completing all the fields, of all the fields, after that when you check the particular ICIMS portal of your dashboard, so the trainee and received submission, so you can continue your application if it's working, or try after some time. This is all the hiring opportunities related to trainee. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.